This is really not good. Hold on! Nathan! They're gaining on us! I know! We'll crank it! Damn, I'm going as fast as I can! Shit! Keep heading towards the island. I'll try to hold them off. Ah, shit! Here they come! They got smaller boats! Ram them! Got it! Hey, assholes! Tell your bosses to find their own damn treasure! Took them out! Not doing much damage here! Just keep at bay! Down you go! There! Big boat! Big boat! They're dropping mines! I see them! Just keep heading towards the island! Don't let them get in front of you! Big boat! Big boat! Shit! God damn it, they're dropping mines! I see them! Just keep heading towards the island! Don't let them get in front of you! On your right! Watch it! Oh shit!